How to add multiple photos in one Instagram story. Now, to do that, you're going to have to go here to your Instagram application. And then on the bottom part, you'll see plus sign icon there. And here you will see the story option. Tap on the story option here on the bottom part. And all you have to do is to choose the photo, the main photo that you want to add the picture on. So let's say this photo, and let's say you want to add more photo. So on the upper right you'll see the sticker icon here. Click on that and then scroll down up until you see your gallery section here, or the gallery option. Click on that and it will lead you here back again to your gallery. Now all you have to do is to choose the photos that you want to add, for example this one, and then you can resize it, shape it, and you can even tap to change its shape. So for me, let's just put it here. And let's say you want to add one more, so you have to do the same process. Click on that and then here. And then basically that is it. Tap on your story here. And that is how you add multiple photos in one Instagram story. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.